Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese with gelatin. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a successful and tasty result. We'll explore how gelatin acts as a fantastic setting agent, giving your homemade cheese a wonderful texture. You'll be surprised at how straightforward it is to create a delightful, firm cheese right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this simple yet innovative recipe. To begin your cheese-making journey, you'll need a few key ingredients and tools. Start with 1 liter of fresh, whole milk, about 10 grams of unflavored gelatin, and a quarter teaspoon of mesophilic starter culture. For equipment, grab a clean saucepan, a reliable thermometer, and a fine mesh cheesecloth. Having everything ready ensures a smooth process, so take a moment to prepare your workspace and sanitize all your utensils. Now for the exciting part, making the cheese. First, gently warm your milk to exactly 32 degrees Celsius. Stir in your starter culture, then let it rest for about 1 hour. Next, dissolve your 10 grams of gelatin in a quarter cup of warm water, then slowly incorporate it into the milk mixture. Allow this to sit at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours, or until a soft curd forms. Finally, carefully drain the curds through a cheesecloth for about 2 hours. After draining, it's time to give your cheese its final shape and texture. Gently press the curds for a few hours, using a light weight to achieve your preferred firmness. Once pressed, transfer your beautiful homemade cheese to the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for at least 4 hours or even overnight to fully set. Then, slice and enjoy your delicious creation. It pairs wonderfully with crackers or fresh fruit. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.